Hey guys, welcome to fucking JBS Garage. Here we are with the Fiesta. We've got more shit for you, so keep fucking watching. If you don't subscribe or like the video right now, you, my friend, are a pussy hole, okay? Right? So, what we're doing today, yeah, is getting rid of all this bollocks down here. You know what I mean? Look at it all. And that fucking wheel, fucking spare wheel tray thing. So yeah. So, first things first, there's two Phillips heads on here. There's one there, which I've got out already, and there's one here. And as you can see, this screwdriver tool is a fucking handy piece of kit, because otherwise you'd have to take the wheels off just to get the bumper off. But, as you can see, I don't have to. So, that's those four removed. Let's move on to the next step. So for the next step, there's two 13mm bolts, I think, that we need to get undone in here. And here we have it. The rear bumper removed. See, like I said, there was a 13 there, and there was a 13 there. Two crossheads either side, and that's it. You can kind of see why we want to get rid of all this shit. And as you see in the last video of this car, you see Callum fucking about with it with some tin snips, but yeah, let's get that looking good. Also, in case you guys haven't realised, yeah, Callum's done the whole inside black already. Looking fucking sick. Done it in fucking cheap fucking in excess underseal. 500ml cans, filled to the brim. Lovely jubbly that is. So, we're just going through and giving everything a light wet sand quick, just so the paint would stick to it. Just whilst Callum was taping up all the body lines and whatnot for the cutting and the painting. So, now we're going to get to using a grinder. Big man T-Toc switch down there. Didn't know there was a switch at the start. Hey, big up. Fucking eBay special, 18 buck. Sorry I didn't show you guys, I was doing my thing with the grinder, yeah, having a brilliant time. And as you can see, I've made progress. So now it's time to just get this fucking side off here. So I've just gone through, tidied everything up with the grinder now. Took a bit of rust off all of this bit here. You know, got quite a bit of rust off there to be fair actually, can't lie. That's a lot better. Took the tiniest amount off here. Went through, just cleaned up the whole edge, just made it so it's not got massive barrels on it. Took some of the corners off these chassis rails. Callum's just going through now, spraying the fuck out of everything, as you should. And yeah. So the bumper is cut off. The underbody is sealed, as you've just seen. So that line there didn't quite match up with Callum's eyes compared to this side. Well, but shit happens. Still looks good. Not that noticeable from a distance. So yeah, speed to the fucking nut. Hardcore. So we've put it back together, and here it is. Oh, actually. Yeah, but then I'm like back in, broken anyway. But still, look at that. Full fucking drag spec. Look at it. That is mad. Look how wide the wheels are for this little thing as well. They're 195 tires with a little bit of stretch on them. These new exhaust. Look at that stock thing. Need something sick there. Everyone can see it now. What a machine. Also, bonnet risers now fitted. You can see in there. Lovely. Pink zip ties style. That's it for this short one. I've got a tire on my face, but that don't matter. Yeah, just finishing up now. Nice easy video this was as well. Keeping it sweet. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Choke's on, by the way, that's why it's revving high. In case you think he's just a retard. He's not.